Meet Sarah. She's a business operations manager, and her inbox is bursting with hundreds of emails every day. Many unprioritized, many unanswered. What should get immediate attention? What could wait? And what is simply background noise? The result? Delayed replies, missed opportunities, frustrated team members. Sound familiar? There had to be a smarter way. Introducing our AI-powered email assistant bot workflow. A complete automation system built on the open-source low-code platform N8N, designed to classify, prioritize, and respond to incoming emails instantly. Let's walk you through how it works. Email trigger. When a new email lands in Gmail, our workflow kicks in. We capture key details like the subject line, sender, body, and attachments. We maintain a Google Sheets list of known priority senders and keywords. When an email arrives, we check if the sender or content matches this list to flag if it's important. A code node runs logic. If the sender appears in the priority list and/or the body contains any of the defined keywords, it will be instantly tagged as important. If not, it's flagged not important and moved aside for later. If the email is marked important, the workflow continues. If not important, the email is simply labeled not important in Gmail and no further action is taken. For every important email, we log it in Google Sheets with the date, sender, subject, body. This serves as a central repository for tracking and analytics over time. Here's where the magic happens. We use a Google Gemini Cloud Chat model to analyze the email and automatically categorize it into one of several buckets. To reply, handled by assistant. Urgent today, internal tasks, needs follow-up, or no need to reply. After categorizing, the workflow takes the next action and auto-drafts a relevant reply if needed. We parse the AI's JSON output to retrieve the email category and draft a reply. Then the system intelligently routes the email to the correct folder or workflow step. Apply appropriate Gmail labels for categories like to reply, no need, internal, needs follow-up for better email handling. This makes your inbox much easier to manage. You can instantly identify emails that need action, which are informational, and which can be ignored. For the urgent today emails, the system immediately labels it, logs the details into the urgent sheet, attaches the AI-drafted reply, and pushes it forward for same-day action. Here, the email may trigger follow-up automation, such as calendar scheduling or attachment handling. This ensures every urgent request moves forward automatically without waiting for manual intervention. All of these emails are automatically labeled and neatly parked for you, which means your inbox stays completely clean and organized at all times, and you never have to worry about clutter getting in the way of what's important. In a nutshell, with our complete email automation workflow, your team now can recover 60 to 80% lost time, save cost up to 40%, and increase productivity by 2 to 3 times. The result? No more missed leads, no more bottlenecks, just predictable, fast, and flawless execution. What once took hours now happens in minutes. Ready to get ahead with AI and automation? Let's talk. Visit systemintegration.in or reach out for a demo. BMV System Integration. Empowering your automation journey.